Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans.
That was even early for me.
Today, we're going to pull in Kyle's new orange truck. We don't have a name for it at all, so if you guys have any ideas, drop those comments down below. Let us know what we should call the new orange project. Kyle and I also want to give a shout out to Zane. It's been a while since we've done this. Zane, Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. When you guys get done with this episode, go check out Zane over at Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. He's got a lot. He hasn't had a lot lately, but he's got a lot of videos. He's really good at what he does with his editing and F600 project or F700. I can't remember. But anyway, go check out Zane. Tell him I sent you. And another quick shout out to another channel, and I think y'all should jump on board and go subscribe to his channel and check him out. Is YDOC Productions, YDOC?
YDOC.
Productions, Cody up in Washington. Go check out he does a really good job of explaining things, and his video works awesome. So go check out those two channels before we get started, or not, after you watch my video. But before we get started, Kyle's got to get some gloves on.
Why is there like 10 blues and 10 blacks?
I don't know.
I don't know either. They're both lefts and rights.
Okay.
Anyways.
So, all right, we're going to get the orange truck in, guys. Try to get an idea how rough it's running there. There, now we won't die of carbon monoxide poisoning. I put the hose on it. You guys can kind of see how it's running a little shitty.
Noises you want.
All right, guys. So as you heard in the when we were just running it a little bit ago, we've got a miss, and it sounds like there's a bunch of air coming out the exhaust. So Kyle and I are going to do a little bit more investigation here, and we're gonna go ahead and pop this valve cover off and see what's going on underneath with the rocker arms and stuff and things. All right, Kyle, let's go ahead and pop that valve cover open.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. That fuel line is way too long. And under the valve cover, we have... It's a boy! What was that?
I'm assuming half of the gasket.
Oh, great. Yeah, half the gasket's missing. Mm-hmm. So what cylinder was it, Kyle? It was this one? Yeah. The guy had unplugged?
Yes, yeah. I believe so.
So this... Wow. Yeah. Alright, guys, we're going to go ahead and fire this truck up. Big blocks normally have low lubrication on the top end when they're running, so go ahead and fire it up, Cal.
Ready?
Yeah. bent push rod. Is that bent? Let's take that push rod out. Okay, go ahead and shut her down. Not even moving. Dude, I think Kyle's gonna be pulling that rocker arm off because you saw that in that video we just shot. And I think I'm gonna put money on it's a bent push rod, but I could be wrong. It could be.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah. We need a flat surface. All right, guys, we've concluded that we have a rolled cam, spun cam.
Yeah.
We got a flat spot.
Flat spot.
So we're going to be ordering some parts now. These heads, we have a little bit. This is weird. So we have markings that it's a 79 or newer engine block.
Deck code will be in the lifter valley.
Okay, so we have to get into the lifter valley to see what engine we got here. We know it's after 79.
Yep.
The heads don't have any markings on them, so it kind of indicates to me it's somewhere in the 80s. I have some 73 heads. We're going to have to continue this video at a later date.
Yeah.
We're going to have to button this back up today, get back into it. I know this one was a short one, but thanks for tuning in. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comments do go down below. And we'll be back and tearing this whole engine down and camshaft, lifters, and possibly some new heads.